Hello everyone, it's been a while since my last post, but I hope you're going to enjoy this new one. Welcome to Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we are making a 3-ingredient strawberry jelly fluff. It is a delicious twist to making the jelly more exciting and more tasteful. For this recipe you will need 3 ingredients: 80 grams of strawberry jelly, 380 grams of evaporated milk, 110 ml of hot water and 110 ml of cold water. The first step we will need to do is to mix the jelly as per the ingredients on the pack, except half the amount of hot water and cold water used. Make sure that the jelly crystals are well dissolved. Remember, you can choose to make any flavor you want and decorate as desired. But in this vlog, we are making the strawberry flavored jelly because we are making strawberry fluff. Once all the crystals have dissolved, leave this in the refrigerator until almost set. Step 2. In a separate bowl, using a handheld mixer, whip the evaporated milk until it triples in size. Evaporated milk is milk where 60% of the water has been removed. In some countries, evaporated milk is considered unsweetened condensed milk. So, in order to make this a diabetic-friendly dessert, you can use sugar-free jelly as well. It's so amazing to see how evaporated milk gets thick when whipped, almost like fresh cream. Step 3. Add the almost set jelly into the whipped evaporated milk. Notice the consistency of the jelly. If it is not almost set, it will make the dessert soft and runny. Add the jelly to the evaporated milk and beat this until it is well incorporated. You will notice that the evaporated milk slightly changes color to a light pink. If at this stage you notice the color isn't to your preference, add in some gel food color. I'm loving the color now. It's not too bright and not too pale. At this stage, if you feel that you need to make the dessert a bit sweeter, add in some powdered sugar. Now, isn't this a lovely twist to the jelly? Jelly, you are still my favorite, but sometimes it's good to try something new. Place about a cooking spoon into serving bowls and decorate as desired. Leave this to cool in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This fluff could also be used to decorate a few desserts. Quick, simple, and delicious. Now look at the consistency of this. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy making your 3-ingredient strawberry jelly fluff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.